Good morning everyone. I'm currently in New York City. I've been here for a couple of weeks now. Been doing some projects, doing kind of like branding and marketing and advertising. Today we're going to be going to a co-working space to do some project work. At the moment we're working on a project for a company called Social Chain, who are massive. Like when we visited their offices the other day, I was honestly fangirling to the max and I just couldn't believe it. We also met the CEO Stephen and I couldn't. We are working on a campaign for one of their clients with influencer marketing and social first strategies. Check out the amazing view from our hotel. So down here we have Central Park, the Plaza Hotel, and a few other beautiful little, well, big buildings along the New York skyline. So I am ready to go now and I hope you enjoy this vlog style living in New York City video. Back to the hotel. Had a great day today. We visited DKNY and then I did a little bit of exploring around New York. Yeah, thank you for watching guys. Bye!